So thermocured Sitka spruce top, Huss and Dalton, East Indian rosewood back and sides. So this guitar is created to feel age. That's what thermocuring means. And so this has gone through a process to basically make it sound old, relict, worn in, and sounding good. There's a YouTuber guitar player, Rhett Scholl, that I follow, and he was playing a Huss and Dalton. I think it was a very similar style guitar or make the other day. I saw the video, it's from a while back, but he was basically saying that this guitar gives any like Martin a run for its money. It's lightweight, yeah.
Yeah, see, now that sounds a lot closer to the acoustic sound I have in my head. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a winner right there.
Not a bad sounding guitar. I played a Firk, which is right behind me here, in a different video. The Firk had what I would describe as like a chunkier, wider neck, which makes Bluegrass perhaps a little easier to play on a neck like that. But that's, you know, not set in stone. But this guitar's neck is a little less, or is not as wide, rather, I should put it. Sounds great. It is not as bassy, I don't think, as a Martin. There's a couple D18s behind me, and I've played those, and right away, like when I play a Martin, it's got that Bluegrass bassiness to it. This guitar doesn't lack that. I would just say it's a little not as pronounced, or not as pronounced as a Martin. But these are handmade right here in the US. Hopping on to the website here, you can really see the detail in the wood grain. These are great pictures here. And again, this isn't the cheapest guitar in the world. If you're interested in it and you'd like the best price, just drop me a line and we'll set something up. But yeah, I've never heard the term bear claw before. Before this guitar, bear claw, Sitka spruce, figured Indian rosewood. But this is what a bear claw sort of, I guess, kind of looks like, or it reminds me of a bear claw. Like this sort of looks like you'd put some icing on it and eat it for breakfast. Really beautiful wood grain here. Lots of great detail. And of course this contributes to the price, I'm sure. But let's listen to Drew play this when he'll give you a demo here on the video. And really fast here on Papa Odell's website, I always talk about this guitar on the channel. I play this one every time that I go to the shop. I'm thinking about buying it. This Recording King RD318, okay? So I'm getting off topic here, but this is basically a 318, a Martin 318 replica. It's made in China, but it's got the same wood. I play the 328, and this is like I wouldn't say like the junior model. It's not that. It's just a D18. It's just made from a company that's not Martin, but it has the same specs. And I've never seen one with this style of pick guard on it. It's got that V-neck, which I think is why this one sits on the shelf for so long. I'm not even telling you to go buy this because I might buy this guitar, but this is still available at Papa Odell's here on the website. And for me, like, this guitar here is such a great deal, period. And now you've got a used one here that's a couple years old. I forget what year this guitar is, for $550 USD. So stop by Papa Odell's and get this guitar before I do. If you are interested in this and you want to stop by Papa Odell's or check it out online, drop my name if you're checking out or if you're talking to Drew, and we'll set you up with a good price or the best price you can get. But yeah, overall, very solid sounding instrument. I'm kind of in the middle between how it looks. If you can see here, I'll kind of zoom in. There's lots of like wood grain details, some unique sort of patterns in there, and nothing against the sound of the guitar. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I like more of like a traditional D18 sort of look, something that's not really glossy like you might see on a D28, or not glossy, but just something that, you know, just shines at you. I'm more of a, I like a guitar that doesn't have a, you know, bright finish or doesn't blind you when you try to look at it. And so this one's somewhere in the middle, but really Huss and Dalton, but great sounding guitar. If you're interested in this, send Papa Odell's a line, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.